Alright, today boys I'm gonna show you how to install NoPixel 2.0 on a VPS. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to set it all up, and I'm going to show you how to install phpMyAdmin, install MariaDB so it works, and you can import the SQL and whatever and everything. I'll show you how to import the SQL and all of the whole process basically of setting it up and making it fully work on a VPS. I'm gonna be using a VPS from DigitalOcean today, but you can choose any VPS provider which your wanted specs on the VPS that suits your needs the best. Alright, well, first program we're gonna need to manage and install all of this on our VPS is PuTTY, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, you can download PuTTY by going to this link over here. This is gonna be linked in the description. So what you do is you just pick any installer here that is obviously 64-bit, because I don't think any computer is 32-bit anymore anyways. Just click this right here and just install it. Once it is installed, you can open it up like so, and what you want to do is you want to grab your VPS's IP, which is this is mine in this case. And basically what you want to do is you want to click open here. It's going to tell you this. Click yes. Okay, so depending on the VPS provider, they'll probably send you an email with the root password. If they don't, you can just change it on whatever panel they provide you with. Anyways, I'm gonna log in now. Let me see here. Alright. As you can see here, just have some bullshit here. I'm just gonna do passvd real quick. This just changes the password. If you want to change it, you can just change it like that. Alright, so once you're in the VPS here, first command you want to write is sudo apt-get install unzip git. It's just to make sure we get all the commands for later for unzipping our files and getting the files from GitHub. Okay, boom. Let's do the next command, which will most likely already be installed. Then what you want to do now is you want to add the signing keys for MariaDB. You'll need this specific version that I provide you with here, or you won't be able to import the SQL later on in this tutorial. Yeah, and yeah, so all these commands will be listed in order in the description below and down below. Okay, after you've done this command here, you want to do sudo apt update, which will just make sure everything's updated. Now we want to install the MariaDB server. Click Y. Just letting it install here. Okay, after this is installed, you want to install Apache. Click Y. After Apache is finished installing, you want to do sudo mysql secure installation. And now you just want to enter your current password for root. Here you can see that it wants you to swap. Just click N. Change root password. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. Okay. Once you've done that, we're gonna log in here it's just gonna ask you for the root password. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna create a user. So you can see here, we're gonna create a user here. So you can name this anything. I'm just gonna name it tutorial, and password's gonna be tutorial 123. All right, so that's gonna be our password. Obviously, you should be having a much more safer password, of course. But yeah, so just click enter whenever you've written your desired name and password of the this MySQL account. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna grant all of the permissions to this account, and what you'll need to do is enter the password that it shows again, and also your the name you show as well, which in my case is tutorial. All right, boom. You can see that it is working. Then you want to enter this command, flush privileges. Okay, what you're gonna do now is oh, my bad. Okay, first off, we gotta exit this. It's clear, and then you want to add this command, which will it's just for the PuTTY basically. Okay, once that's done, you can do an update command again, just to make sure. And now there's gonna be a long installation string here. It's 2 times, that's why. Alright, click Y, and it should install the PHP packages required. Yeah. Once this is done, we're gonna install phpMyAdmin. Alright, boom. And now you want to install phpMyAdmin. Click Y. And now Windows gonna pop up here. And what you want to do is press tab. And then you just press OK. Don't press space, just press tab once and then click enter. They're gonna be prompted with entering something here very soon after this finishes. Okay, you want to click yes on this, then just make then just pick a password. Could be your root password, doesn't matter. Click OK, click tab and then OK, of course, and then you gotta enter the same password again. My bad. Okay, tab, okay. Same here. I just enter the same again. Boom. When that's done, you also wanna symlink your phpMyAdmin directory into your HTML so you can actually access it later. My bad. All right. Anyways, okay. What we're gonna do now, I'm gonna go to here. You're gonna need FileZilla to do some stuff that we need to do. Yeah. Or it's actually optional, but in this tutorial you'll need it because I'll be using it because I can't be bothered to do the other things. Anyways, download this. Make sure not to make sure to untick the box that says that you want to install freeware. Just don't speed through the installation tutorial. Just unclick the freeware because you don't want that on your computer. Anyways, once you have this downloaded, you're gonna go to FileZilla here, and this basically works exactly like PuTTY does. And you can enter like an IP address over here. So I'm going to be doing that now. Gonna enter my address here, my root, of course, and the password. Port is going to be 22. Then you can just do quick connect. Once you're in here, you can go to, or well, we're going to go to, okay, so once you're in, you will be in this folder here, root folder. Just click here, click home, and then what you want to do, you want to create a directory called fivem. In this directory, you want to create another directory called server. Alright, after you create this directory called server, what you want to do is, you want to download something here. Boom. You're gonna download this. It's the artifacts for Linux. Oh yeah, if I forgot to mention it before, you will need Ubuntu 18.04 LTS VPS distro operating system for the VPS, basically. So when you select that, just take Ubuntu 18.04. Okay. Anyways, this link will also be in the description, of course. What you want to do is click latest recommended, and it's just gonna install this here. Alright, you want to drag this here, and it will transfer like so. Just rename it to fx. What you want to do now, cd home slash fivem ls. You'll see fx.tar here. Just do shmoud plus and fx.tar.xz. Oh my bad. I'm doing it totally wrong here. Well, I'm not the most, not the best here. Let's just do this. Let's just do that. Okay, that should work just fine. Yeah, it did. Okay, so what you want to do when that's done? You want to write tar xf fx.tar.xz. It's gonna extract the server artifacts. Boom. Once you see that, it's done. And you wanna put this inside your server here. Okay. Once that is done, get back into this window here, and we're gonna download something else here. And what we're gonna download next is the GitHub for cfx-server-data. Just download this. Boom. And then just rename it to cfx-server-data. Go back to this. You wanna just go ls. You wanna go cd server ls. Then you wanna do unzip r cfx server data .zip. Huh? Oh, it's okay. Okay, boom. It's extracted. Rename this to just cfx-server-data. Yeah, just keep it like that. Just gonna keep it like that. Okay. Okay, so what is next? Let's see here. Well, next is actually cloning the thing, right? So actually, first off, we can actually install sudo apt-get install screen. Yeah, most definitely you probably already have it. Anyways, okay. Anyways, screen will help you. Okay, so basically, if you want, you know, your server to be ran like forever, you can put it inside a screen, and basically you screen it, and then you're inside a screen, and you can do Control A and then D to exit out of it or detach from it, and it will still be running in the background of the operating system of Ubuntu, and then you can reconnect to it and whatever and everything like that. I'll show you that after we've cloned the server into the here. So basically what you do now, you should do git clone and then his the link here. This will also be in the description as I mentioned earlier. Boom. As you see, it'll take a while. I'll be back once it is finished. See you then. Okay, we're back, boys. Once it is finished, downloading, you can type ls, and you'll see NoPixelServer. Boom. Basically, all you need here is a NoPixel SQL, which you can just drag over here. We need the resources, and we need the server. That's most basically what we need. What we can do with this resource folder, just drag it out here. Then just delete NoPixelServer. Yeah, this is just stuff we don't need. Okay, while that's deleting, you want to drag this. Actually, we can't do anything. Okay, let's just rm. Okay. Okay. Boom. Just do that. It'll work. Now you want to drag resources into cfx-server-data. Okay, so for some reason it doesn't want to move. What the hell? Okay. Okay, so it's bitching because there's another resources here. Okay, just ignore that. Boom. You can just remove this. Basically, just cd cfx-server-data. Then you just do rmr resources 11 or okay, that'll be gone. Now what you want to do here, after you could probably drag these out as well from the folder. Now just drag these in here. Okay, I'm just gonna do a new file here. We're gonna open this here. Okay. All of this you can change to whatever you want, right? Your license key here, I usually change slots to like 10. You can have it at anything though. So license key here. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. You also want to replace your Steam Web API key. Anyways, now I'm gonna have a license key here. To get a license key, you just go to keymaster.fivem.net, right, and get your key. You log in with Fivem. Everything's good. Yeah. Nice, dude. I'll also need to get my key. So when you get a new key, you want to select VPS, and you also want to just, you can just tell them what provider you're using. Okay, I'm gonna enter, and make sure you also enter the correct IP or it won't work. Then just generate your key. Once you have your key, just put it right here. Click Ctrl S, and it will tell you that the change. Click yes. Okay. Once that's done, we're mostly almost done here. So next thing we're gonna need to do here. Okay. So right here in this folder, cfx-server-data. Here. We need to do something. We need to do run.sh. Let's see if I can get the string actually. I didn't have this string prepared really, so that's my bad, boys. That's my bad, boys. Let's see if I can find it here. Okay, so now I'm gonna show how screen works, by the way. Also, oh yeah, I actually totally forgot about that. We need to set up the SQL as well. Okay, so you wanna go into researcher, go find this phpMyAdmin, open up config.json. And here you should, you know, here it's gonna be the name that you created your shit for, tutorial, and then tutorial 123. Host is gonna be localhost since you're hosting it on the server you know, it's not an external server. Database is just gonna be tutorial, whatever you name your one. So, boom. After that's done. All right, I'm back. Sorry, boys. I did cat there. Anyways, so I basically fucked up a bit in the tutorial here. So basically, what you'll have to do is okay. So when you go to your phpMyAdmin right now, it'll say there's an internal error. Basically, what you need to do to fix this is you need to install libapache 2, boom, like this. And you also need to disable your current one, your current you need to disable here. Wait, let me see if I can find it here. So basically you type this command here, sudo a2 dismod php 8.0. So this is the command you want to use. Boom, just disable that. And then actually that one is wrong. This command is wrong actually. Okay, yeah. Instead you want to do libapache 7.4 apt-get install. Boom. I already have this, but it'll be in the description. Yeah, and I'll just put it in the one-liner that we had before earlier, the one, you know, where we installed the MB string and all the other stuff. Anyways, when that's done, what you do is you restart using this command here. Okay, so you do sudo service apache to restart. Okay, boom, restart it. Once it is restarted, you can go to your VPS IP like so, and then /phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin. And now we'll use the same username and password that we created earlier, which was tutorial, and then tutorial 1 2 3. Boom. Just click ignore all. You can see that we have all the privileges here. Okay. All we do now, as I showed you earlier, I was when I was editing the config for the GHMADI MySQL, I named the database tutorial. You name it whatever you put in your config, but yeah. So I just create this. Now we're gonna import our SQL. What I usually do is I go to Swxy server here. I usually just find the SQL here, click raw, copy all, boom. Then I usually scroll up, also remove these 2 lines here. Then you can click go, boom. You'll see that it says that it returns an empty result, but everything will be imported fine. Okay, once you've done this, you'll be ready to start your server. And so starting your server is actually very easy. Okay, let's see here. You also want to go to keymaster. Okay, let's see here. Keymaster. I'm just logging in here to keymaster. Right, well, okay, I got my shit here. Okay, so what you want to write is screen dash s fivem dot dot. Oh yeah, you also want to be inside the home fivem server, then cfx-server-data. Boom. Once you're in this folder, type screen dash s fivem slash run.sh plus exec server.cfg, and then plus exec resources.cfg plus set sv enforce game build 260. Then we're gonna enter our license key here. This is you need to replace this with your license key anyways. This whole command will be in the description down below. Just enter. It'll start a server for you. And it should be up any second now. Okay, as you see, it successfully got to our database and everything. And yeah, everything else I've already covered. How to whitelist yourself, that's also another video on my channel. How to give yourself admin, that's also included in the how to whitelist yourself video. Yeah, and if you have any further issues up and beyond this point, whatever, just message me on Discord. My Discord tag is cool, #1307, or you can comment down below, and I'll get you as soon as I see your message. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, whatever, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.